Want to race like the pros? The AirHog's Helix race drone has 2 skill settings, letting you train as a novice and race like a pro. Crank the high-speed throttle and perform awesome stunts on command. AirHog's Helix race drone. So close. New from AirHog's and DR1 Racing, the Helix race drone. Each sold separately, batteries not included, from Spin Master. AirHog's, race like a pro.
Who's America's top robot? And they're off! Mebo's streaming video keeps us in on the action. Here comes Balance Bot. Ooh! Mebo's on the approach. And in position.
I totally failed that test. If my parents find out...
Oh, they will.
Did that just come from Mebo's mouth? Balance Bot is on the okay. Check out Mebo's arm control. It's safe to say we have a clear winner. Mebo!
The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. Retrieve all remains to be discovered.
What do you get when you cross a radioactive spider with a socially challenged teenager? So, are we gonna do something or what?
Tell me a story.
A story? Yeah, I got one for you. Let me tell you the one that started it all. So, a few months ago, my class went on a little school field trip to Oscorp. So yeah, that's how all of this happened.
Tell me a joke.
Okay, how many tickles does it take to make Doc Ock laugh? 10 tickles. Because of the tentacles? Ow, my organ!
Let's fight bad guys.
Let's! There's a bank robbery in progress at Midtown Savings and Loan. Attack! Hi there. We'd like to withdraw some felons.
Guard my room.
Guard your room? You got it, partner. A supervillain approaches. Hi-ya!
What time is it?
It's time to fight crime! Woohoo! Oh, you were actually asking. It's 1:36.
Let's play a game.
All right, it's trivia time. J. Jonah Jameson is the editor of which newspaper?
The Daily Bugle.
The Daily Bugle is the one. Good job. You know, it's rude to stare. Come on, let's do something.
In video games, even virtual reality, you are merely a player in a world that is not your own. SuperSuit lets you become you in a world limited only by your imagination. Forged from technology light years away, powered by the energy inside you. Get ready to dawn. The SuperSuit. SuperSuit is the world's first wearable gaming platform and uses new sci-fi technology to communicate suit to suit so they work anywhere. The Super Vest is its power core. It lights up, makes sound, and has haptic feedback letting you feel when you get hit. The Super Glove is the tool to activate special abilities. Its engaged gesture technology gives you the power to unleash shockwaves, generate force fields, and much more. Inside every suit is a special Super Bot, which act as allies boosting your defense, zap your opponents, or be the goal of the game. Stocked full of a variety of games at launch, gives SuperSuit the ability to be experienced single or multiplayer. Like in SuperSuit's take on Capture the Flag, the suit's bots become goals sought after by opposing team members. And in its flagship strategy game, Robin Hood, players use the SuperSuit's give and take features to steal resources from the rich team and give them to the poor team. With SuperSuit, the more you play, the more powerful you become. Instead of leveling up a character, you level up, rewarding you with new powers and gestures as your abilities increase. And tracking those powers is done in the app, where you can monitor current level, compare scores in active minutes, and download new games. Inside SuperSuit exists a new world of gaming. Get ready to unlock your potential. Get ready to don the SuperSuit and live the game.